Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find your tax documents and statements on eToro. First, open the eToro website and sign in with your username or email and password. Once you're signed in, look at the menu on the left side and click on Portfolio. Inside the Portfolio tab, go to the Account section. On the account page, you'll see a section called Tax Documents under Documents. On the right side, click the View button. Your account's tax documents and statements will now be displayed. And that's it. That's how you can find your eToro tax documents and statements. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.